you're doing okay. I am bringing you a makeup tutorial today. 40 plus, not quite gonna say how old I am, but yeah, makeup tutorial for 40 plus. I do have a mirror in front of me, so if I do keep moving, then you know why. I would try and do it in the viewfinder. I'm not really sure how that's gonna go. I've just done some beach waves in my hair. If you're interested in that video, I'll try and link it below. So let's get into it. So I have already used a moisturiser on my skin. I kind of fluctuate between moisturisers, to be honest with you. I've got Avant Supreme Hyaluronic Acid Moisturiser. That came free in a glossy box. And I've also got the LMS Superfood Glow Priming Moisturiser, which is the one that I have already applied. I normally put this in and try and let it sink into my skin before I do my makeup. And then I'm going to go straight in with a Bobbi Brown Skin Foundation Stick in the shade Golden Beige. I don't always use this, but I have just started using it recently. So I'm literally going to draw some lines over my skin, and then over my forehead, and then I'm just going to rub that into my skin using this gorgeous brush. Not forgetting the neck. Rub that all in. And then I'm going to use some concealer. So I've got a few concealers. I have got the, oh my goodness me, you can't even, oh, Maybelline, you can still see it just about. Maybelline Eraser. As you can see, I love this stuff. Use it quite a lot, which I'll be using today. I've got the Morphe, but this is quite a heavy concealer. It's okay, but I don't use it all the time, only because I find that it then causes creases. And then I've got the LD Lacura pen, which is obviously a dupe. And this is actually in a darker shade. I don't know if you can see. It's not as light. I'm going to go in with Maybelline today, and I'm literally going to put it underneath my eyes and in the corners, like so. I put a little bit around my nose and then a little bit either side, and then I'm going to use a blending sponge, sorry, not brush, and literally pat that into my skin, give it a bit of a rub underneath the eyelid. Try not to pull funny faces in this video. The amount of times I've thought about doing this video and I think about all the weird faces I pull. But I'm sure all of you guys too do it too, so I'm hoping I'm just normal. I put a little bit more underneath. I do get quite bad bags. I think a lot of it is actually what I've been told is hereditary. I've got a huge ulcer on the side of my tongue at the moment, and I feel like sometimes I'm talking strangely or as if I've got a lisp. I'm trying not to talk and bite down on my tongue at the same time. So I'm going to go in using the same brush, and I've got the Bare Minimals Original Powder, and this is in medium beige. These, I cannot tell you how good Bare Minerals are. I've been using Bare Minerals for way over 10 years, and these pots last so long. I mean, admittedly, I don't use loads. If you like caking on makeup, then this probably isn't the video for you, because I don't really wear a lot of makeup, never have. And the only reason why I use that Bobbi Brown foundation stick is because it doesn't really feel like a foundation. I've never actually really worn proper foundation. I cannot stand loads of stuff on my skin, and I just feel it like clogs your skin a lot as well. I'm just checking in my mirror just to make sure that I don't look like some freak in that mirror. Okay. Next, going to go in with eyeshadow. I use the Morphe. Is it Morph or Morphe? I'm not actually too sure, but anyway, whatever way I'm saying it. The palette. This is called Neutral Territory 90. Doesn't have loads in it. Ooh. So I'm going to go in with this one first. Always do this. And I'm just going to put that up to the crease of my eyelid. Just feel it brightens my eye area quite a lot. Again, I do it up to kind of the crease and blend outwards. And then I'm going to go in with this one today. And I'm going to start on the outer edge and literally just blend up to the crease. See how it just, I feel it really opens up the eye area. And then I'm going to start on this side, again from the outer corner, blend into that crease. Just checking they are the same. A little bit more. More on this side. The lower part. And that is literally my eyes done. I know it kind of looks like I don't really have any on, but for me that feels like quite a lot. My eyebrows are tattooed, but I don't always necessarily like the tone of them. So I always go over with the Allure Brow Magic Dark Brown number 10, and this is quite a fat stick, but as you can see it's really flat. And then I've also got an eyebrow brush that I use afterwards. So I'm literally going to go over what's being tattooed. I don't think I could do, no, I can't do that in the viewfinder. I'm going to have to do it in the mirror, I'm afraid. I don't put loads on, just to give it, can you see, like a slightly warmer tone. And I do like them a little bit darker. Just going to go in close up to make sure I'm not missing any bits. I don't particularly want to go out looking like a freak today. Okay, just going to go in my eyebrow brush and kind of blend that in. I know everybody probably does their makeup in a completely different order to this. This is just the way I do it. And then I've got blush. So this I bought, as you can see, is probably past its sell by date, but hey ho. This is for us from Sephora in America, which I think was, that's got to be about 4 years ago now. And it's in the shade Too Hot number 7, if you're interested. Well, I asked for their advice in there and they showed me this and I did freak out. I thought, oh my God, but actually it doesn't come out like that. Now I've learnt a new hack, well, not really a hack, but a tip that I saw. So I always used to put my blush here, but I saw, I think it was on Facebook or TikTok, that you should put it here to slim down the face. So I've started doing that. How, I don't know how effective it is, I don't know, but I don't know, does that really slim down the face? Maybe a little bit, not sure. But literally the top, whereas I used to have it like here. And then, I don't always use this, but I've got some Dew You in the shade Claire. It's a highlighter. Is it Glossy Box? I think it's a Glossy Box. And I'm literally going to do some dots to highlight, and a little bit one on my nose, a little bit on my Cupid's bow. I'm just going to blend that in with my fingers. A bit on my arch of my eyebrows. And then last of all, my mascara. I don't quite know how I'm going to do this. I don't think I'm going to be able to do this in the viewfinder. I'll try and do it in the mirror, so I'll be looking in a different direction. So I found this. I'm just going to have to try and sit down because at the moment I'm on my knees. Let's move you down a little bit. Oh, actually, no, I can't. Okay. I bought this. This is from Primark. It's called Wonderlash, and I love this. This is such an amazing mascara. I've used so many different brands over the years and some have been really, really expensive. This is amazing. I would say this only lasts, I'd say, a couple of months. It's not that it doesn't last, obviously it's still liquidy, but I find it congeals my eyelashes and I like them really separated, so that is why I tend to change this a lot. But I'm going to try and do this in the mirror and hopefully you can still see. So the wand looks like that. And then I'm literally going to start rolling. I do get it on my skin most times, but then I just take it off afterwards. I do like my eyelashes to be really separated. I don't like them being clumpy. God, it's actually really difficult doing it like this. And I'm probably getting way more mascara on my skin than what I normally do, but that's what cotton buds are for. Side, just roll it, base of the lash. Probably should have had a little mirror. in front of me, I think it would have been a lot easier actually. There is a mirror on my eyeshadow. Let's try that. Oh my god, it's loads better. Why didn't I think of that to begin with? I do spend quite a lot of time on my eyelashes only because I really like them to all be in a certain direction, really stick up and really separated. Does anyone else do the same? Okay. Can't be there. Okay, I'm going to do my bottom lashes. Now I'm going to go in with my cotton bud. And I'm just going to remove any of the little bits that I've got on my skin. And there we have it really. My makeup routine isn't overly complicated. It's quite simple. I don't wear a lot of makeup. But yeah, so I really hope you enjoyed this makeup at 40. Take care everybody, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Just thought I'd really quickly show you the makeup close up and with the daylight now on my face. So really simple. I will put a little bit of molten brown lip balm on in a minute. My lips are quite dry and I normally do that every morning anyway. But yeah, my skin's quite glowy. I think that is due to the Elemis moisturiser I use, the superfood. It does kind of give that glowy look.